Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing fantastic. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. It has been drizzling for the past few days. The sky is cloudy. The sky is covered with black clouds. And it is raining now. You can see it is raining. Sometimes it is heavy and sometimes it's a slight rain. The poor people who are work from the other field, they cannot work for the rainy day. It is very hard for lead their life because they work and after their work they get wage, they get salary and they buy something from the market. But rain continue, they cannot work for the another field and they cannot afford their livelihood. So I hope inshallah it will overcome, and Allah is our creator, knows all the things, what is better, what is best and what is bad for us.